Hey guys, I'm Abhishek and today I'm going to show you how you can create this Pinterest-like animation and grid structure inside Framer. Here we have a desktop breakpoint. We'll just create a frame inside it. The frame got outside, I'm sorry. Here we have a frame. We'll add a layout to our desktop frame. Then we'll choose the frame inside it again. Set it to fill, add another layout. Done. Now we'll add a collection. That's here. Now, so good so far. We'll turn a connection into a grid. And here we have the option to turn it into a Mansory grid, and then we'll go yes and change it to a 5 column grid. Make sure our stack is set to fill with the padding of, let's say, 20. 20 looks good. Now we'll go back to articles, choose this, and then in the assets panel, we'll go add this component. Now we'll remove everything else. Here they go. We'll set the primary art collection to fill. Perfect. We'll set the cap to 16. 616. Now we don't see anything. That is, we'll see everything once we connect this to image, this to title, best. Doing some minor adjustment. Now if you see it is flowing outside, we'll fix this by setting this to fill. Inside the component, I have set this frame to have its width to fill, but its height to maintain with the image. So here, if now I remove the background color, boom, here we have Mansory Grid printers like scroll. This is connected with the CMS. As if I go here, add a invitation, then go here and choose an image. Let's say this. Let's save it. Let's save a draft. Done. Here it is already updated. Jai Mata Di. Oh shit. Now why this happened is because we have not removed the link here. We'll just go here, backspace, done. Now everything is fine. Yes, Jai Mata Di. We have design. We have something good, nice. We have a cute cat. Yes. Oh, this guy looks cool. That's it, guys. See you in the next one.